Good, YouTube? It's your boy SS Money, back with another video, man. Today, trying to see if we can get this rear end thing figured out, man. I've been having a rear end leak. On top of that, my car, as you seen in the video, it only pulled one tire. So a guy told me, man, try draining the fluid and resurfacing it with the right differential fluid. So we're gonna do that today. And hopefully, man, everything start back working. I got high hopes, but at the same time, I'm kind of like, But I did get the exhaust done. Well, I changed the mufflers, put new mufflers on here, but I didn't go with the ones that I wanted. But I just put some just for right now. Turn to find out I end up having a donut gasket leak. So I need to fix that. And then, what y'all guys think about for sound, bro? I'm thinking like, should I just go ahead and put a double DIN radio in here? Or should I go back with a regular CD player? And then far as like 6x9s or door speakers, man, what's some good brands? What's the best of the best right now? I'm trying to figure it out because I'm kind of torn in between JBL, Pioneer, and Alpine. So, hey, let me know what y'all think below, man. We finna get to it. I went ahead and bought rear end fluid, new gasket, and I bought me a oil catcher. So normally when you got a positive traction rear end and you spin the tire, whichever tire you spin, the other tire should spin the same way, unless it's open differential, which I doubt it is. So I'm about to see when I spin this tire to the front or to the back, whichever way I can get to spin, the other tire spinning forward, which kind of tells me that either the unit has been changed out or it's just not working correctly, but it's kind of hard to spin. Golly. It got some pressure on it. But we'll see. Next thing to do is get that differential cap off and see what we got. First thing first, I gotta try to make sure that I can remove that drain plug before anything, because if I can't get that drain plug out, then I won't be able to change the fluid. And as you see, got residual fluid leaking, so hopefully it's just a leak and I'm low on fluid, and that's why the rear end not working the right way. But we got a lot of surface rust though. So one day this week, I'm gonna try to get under here and at least get a light brush on it so I can try to repaint everything up under here. But as soon as we get this pan off, we'll see what we got. Quick update. So we found out we do have a unit. We do have a unit right here, so hopefully after draining and cleaning this fluid and resurfacing the rear end, things may work right because the fluid was burnt. And a lot of people telling me, man, to drain and clean the fluid and then resurface it, and it should be back right. So we shall see. Guess we'll get everything cleaned up, man, get it back together and see what we got.
This way?
Yeah. Everything is working. All right, cool. Got the pan cleaned up. I did have a little metal shavings, but not much to worry about. Brand new gasket, RTV. Get everything back together, man, and we'll be, hey, turn the camera back on, see what we got. Finally got the car back together, man, and kind of a little disappointed because she's still not turning both tires. I'm still peg legging. But I am glad that I was able to fix that leak, and I no longer got to worry about having that oil on my ground in the garage. Overall, it was a good learning experience, man. It's something I hadn't did in a long time, and I'm just glad that, you know, I'm one step closer. But what y'all think about gear ratio, man? I'm thinking about going 373s, man. just go ahead and give me an eating unit and just go with some 373s. I mean, I kind of wanted to go with 342s so I can keep that highway cruise action and I won't lose no top speed. But I think the 373 gonna give me more of a better out the gate car, you know, as far as I want to just act up, which I really don't do too much. But if I ever decide that I want to cut some donuts or, you know, just stall up and lead real hard, them 373s will give me what I'm looking for. But yeah, man, hey, it was good to get dirty again. Cause that's all that I really did. Got everything back together, man. As you can see, new gasket, no leaks right now. Next thing is work on this rust, man, and then order new shocks. Hey, that's it, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Like, share, comment, man. Let me know what you think below.